Hi everyone, thank you for joining in today. And yes, this is FredExcel. In our tutorials today, we'll take a look at how to hide and unhide columns and rows in Excel. Beginning with the rows, first, you select the row you want to hide. Okay, so let's select row 8. Then, on your keyboard, you will press the Ctrl key and the 9 key to collapse and hide the selected row. Okay. To unhide, select the cell range that has the hidden rows and press the Ctrl key, the Shift key, and the 9 key to unhide the selected row. Similarly, now let's undo. You could also select the entire row, then double-click any of the row borders to adjust the rows to fit. Awesome. This applies to columns as well. Let's select column C here, and to hide it, we'll press our Ctrl key and your 0 key. So we can go ahead now and unhide by selecting the entire column. Then we'll double click any of the column borders to adjust the columns to fit, thereby unhiding the selected column. Again, you can as well easily right click on the column selected and then hit on the unhide button here to unhide your columns. Beautiful. So do practice and let's get your feedback on the outcome. Thank you for your participation and see you in our next video.